we fix this for now. How to cover this and build up this portion, so by using Max Peel touch foam. Okay, as you can see, this is my project. So we need the straw, remove this also, cut it weakly, okay, by using this touch foam fix. Okay, touch. So put this here as a hose, see, like that. Like a hose, see, so it's easy to use it, just to build up this both sides. Okay, shake it well. Okay, shake it well, so both sides. It's easy to apply. You can control the trigger, so make build up. After this, we cut it. Okay, okay, little by little. So after dry, another one again. It's my tip to you.